Have you ever found yourself in a situation where someone owes you money, or you have been wronged, and you are considering small claims court? Figuring out where to file your case can feel like solving a puzzle, but getting it right is the first crucial step to success. When deciding which small claims court has jurisdiction, the primary consideration is typically where the defendant, the person or business you are suing, lives, or where the incident, the event that led to the dispute, occurred. Jurisdiction refers to a court's authority to hear a case, and without it, the court simply cannot make a ruling. This concept is rooted in the principle of fairness, ensuring that a defendant is not forced to travel an unreasonable distance to defend themselves against a claim. State laws, which govern small claims courts, establish specific rules for two main types of jurisdiction. First, there is subject matter jurisdiction, meaning the court must have the authority to hear the asterisk type of case, such as a debt collection or property damage claim. Second, there is personal jurisdiction, which means the court must have authority over the asterisk parties involved, usually established by where the defendant resides or has significant ties. Finally, venue refers to the most appropriate geographic location for the court to hear the case within the state that has jurisdiction. To figure out the right court for your situation, start by identifying where the person or business you are suing is located. If they live in a different state, small claims court might not be an option, and you may need to consider suing them in their home state. If they are in your state, think about where the dispute happened. For instance, if a car accident occurred in one county, but the other driver lives in another, you might have options for filing in either location. Always check your state's small claims court website or contact the court clerk for specific local rules regarding venue, as these can vary even within a state. It is also important to understand the concept of minimum contacts. This legal principle allows a court to exercise personal jurisdiction over a defendant who does not live in the state, but who is engaged in certain activities within that state, like doing business or causing an injury there. This prevents individuals from simply avoiding a lawsuit by crossing state lines. Knowing this detail can broaden your options, though you should always verify with the court. Understanding these jurisdictional requirements from the start will save you significant time and frustration, helping you avoid filing your case in the wrong court, which could lead to delays or even the dismissal of your claim. By taking a moment to identify the correct jurisdiction, you are setting yourself up for a smoother process and increasing your chances of a positive outcome.